I'm Jason Nichols from Raymondville, Missouri. I'm a truck mechanic. I do welding, fabrication work, custom truck work. Now, I've been doing it for 20 plus years over all different places around. It's a 1948 Peterbilt model 270DD. It's got a 3408 cat engine in it with a 15-speed main box with a 4-speed auxiliary. My father purchased the truck in 1984, and he spent 5 years restoring it, finished it in '89, and we showed it till about 2001, and it got parked in the barn for almost 21 years. I've been doing a lot of work on it and got it back in shape and brought it up here 2 years ago, so it's not been out much in the last 20-some years. It was kind of a barn find. It had a lot of dust and had to go through the aluminum and do a lot of work on the drivetrain and stuff and seals, but got it pretty good shape. Yeah. It's got a lot of chrome and upgrades, stainless firewall. It's got air ride. It's got air leaf suspension, and the driver's side box is storage on the rear, and it's got a generator to run the air conditioner and everything on the passenger side. It come out with a Waukesha gas engine in it, and he upgraded it late model drivetrain. It's pretty well, was late model at the time. I keep the truck as original, as he built it. It's kind of a time capsule. I don't have LED lights on it. It's still got the old split rim wheels. A lot of guys think that's pretty cool, but still be running those, and to keep the, I just don't upgrade much on it. It's kind of keep it as time capsule. Yeah, it's got a 90-inch Aerostar. Just covered all the panels, and he bought the sleeper as a shell and done all the cabinetry. It's got a custom wood dash in it. It's got oak cabinets in the sleeper, microwave refrigerator, and at the time it used to have a waterbed in it, but I kind of took that out. I was afraid of it going bad or something, It's got a lot of unique stuff on it, It's never worked. It's always just been a show truck.